Okay, now listen carefully. The question it is like this way, numericals on ray optics. We are going to understanding the first. We are going to see that two lenses of focal length 0.20 meter and 0.30 meter are kept in contact. Find the focal length of the combination. Okay, so calculate the power of the two. So calculate the power of the two lenses means what they are given. So solution ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So two lenses of focal length. Focal length means 0.20 meter. So this is the first lens focal length, that is f1 equal to, okay, so that is data given. So f1 equal to what is that? 0.20 meter. f1 equal to what is that? 0.20 meter per. And f2 is how much? 0.30 meter are kept in contact. So find the focal length of the combination. So we have to find the what focal length, that is f equal to how much, and also the power of two lenses, that is p1 and p2, and also combination. So combination is p. So these are the things they have asked us. Okay, you all ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ನಮಗ. This is what we are going to call the ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2014 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ನಾವು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಇದು? ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2014 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದ ನಮಗ? ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಏನು? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ one formula. So that formula is a combination of two thin lenses. Okay, the combination of two thin lenses, ಏನದ? The focal length of combination of two thin lenses. जो formula ಏನದ? 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. This is the formula we are using. So that 1 by f1 is 0.20 plus this is 1 divided by 0.30. 1.0.20 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 1 by f equal to LCM ತಗೋತಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಇದೇನದ LCM ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ? 1.020 1.030 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 100 by 20 ಆಗ್ತದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 100 by 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. this 0 get cancel. So 1 by f equal to 10 by 2 plus 10 by 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಅದ. ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM ತಗೊಂಡು. ಸೊ 2 and 3 ದ LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ? 6. Okay, so 2 3s are 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 6 ಏನದ? 6 by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಉಳಿತು. 6 by 3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಆಯ್ತು. So 10 into 330 plus 20 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 50 by 60 ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಏನಾರು ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. f equal to 6 by 50 ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 0. ಹಂಗ 0.12 6. ಇದು 6 ಅದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 5 on the 5 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 0.12 meter ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 0.12. ಸೊ and p1 equal to 1 by f1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ power of the lens equal to reciprocal of the focal length, that is p1 equal to 1 by f1. So 1 by f1 value is 0.2. 0.20 ಅದಲ್ಲ. So 1 divided by 0.2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ? how much the value? 10 by 2 means 5 dioptry ಅದ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 5 ಅನ್ನೋದ. So next, and p2 equal to ಏನದ? p2 value 1 by f2 equal to, so 1 divided by 0.3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 0.10 by 3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3.33 dioptry ಬರ್ತದೆ. both are it is positive, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. So we can take this one. Therefore the total power under power of the combination, the power of the combination lens, the power of the combination dimension lens. Therefore P equal to P1 plus P2. P equal to P1 plus P2 means 5 plus 3.33. So add how much you are getting at 8.33 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 8.33 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಾಗ ಕರ್ಟನ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಚಮಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ಲಾಕತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಾಗ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು. ಹಾಂ ಇದು ಕಾಣಲಾಗ್ಯದು. ಪೂರ ಚಿಕ್ಕಟ್ಟು ಡಾಟಾ ಹೇಳಿವು ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಕೋಯ್ ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು. ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ 10 100 ಅದಲ್ಲ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಯೂನಿಟ್ 10 100 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 100/20 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಸರಿ ರೂಪೇಶ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಅಂದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಲಿಸನ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಎ ಪ್ರಿಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅದ. ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 40 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ what is its refractive what is its first we can calculate the refractive index and calculate the angle of incidence. This it was asked in July 2014. Okay, so now see solution. So given data, what are the given data are there that we can see that. So here prism of angle means angle of prism is how much 60 degree. Angle of prism is how much 60 degree. Angle of minimum deviation, that is dm, equal to how much 40 degree. Angle of minimum deviation is 40 degree. Okay, so 40 degree are there. So we want to calculate the first refractive index. We have to calculate and then afterwards we have to calculate what angle of incidence is how much. Angle of incidence is how much. So now there is one formula. We are going to know that the refractive of the material of the prism andre no. So the refractive means the refraction through a prism anta tondilla. N equal to sin a plus d divided by 2 whole divided by sin a by 2 anta hinge tondilla nodri. So there that value we are going to take it. The refractive so of the material of prism of the material of prism is given by so what formula we are using here? So n equal to sin of a plus dm divided by 2 whole divided by sin a by 2. Okay, sin a value is 60 degree, dm value is 40 degree. Okay, n value question mark. So this we can write on n equal to sin of a, angle a is how much 60 plus 40, 60 degree plus 40 degree plus 40 divided by 2 whole divided by sin 60 by 2. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ sin n equal to, therefore n equal to sin 100 by 2 whole divided by sin 60 by 2. So 100 by 2 is 50. Half of this one is sin 50 divided by sin 30. Or n equal to sin 50 is the value. Sin 50 value is them calculator 0.766 0.766 0 sir. Sin 30 is half of the rest to 0.5 divided by 0.7660 divided by 0.5. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1.532 n equal to 1.532. Okay, 1.532. So now we want to calculate the angle of incidence. Okay, so angle of incidence equal to angle of incidence ಏನದು ಇದು ಏನದ ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಂತ n equal to sin I by sin r. Okay, sin I divided by sin r. Snell's law nalli ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ sin I by sin r. The product whatever it is there, no, so that is the I. So the angle of incidence I equal to a plus dm by 2. So angle I equal to a ಎಷ್ಟದ 60 plus a angle ಎಷ್ಟದ 60 plus ಇದು 40 divided by 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ angle I equal to 100 by 2. So angle I equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 50. Write down this. Now listen, a convex lens of focal length ಏನದರಿ 0.24 meter ಅದ and refractive index is 1.5 is completely immersed in water. Of refractive index of 1.33. Find the change in focal length of the lens. Given data, what are the given? Focal length of lens it is in the air is 0.24 and refractive index in glass is 1.5 and refractive index in water that is 1.33. So what we have to find out? Focal length of water we have to find out and change in the focal length also we have to find out. If you know the focal length of that lens it is immersed in the water, so then we can calculate the change in the focal length. So when the lens is in the air, so using lens maker formula, what is that lens maker formula? 1 by Fa equal to Ng minus 1 bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay, so that is a 1 by 0.24 equal to 1.5 minus 1 bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Now see this one, when lens is immersed in water. Okay, so when lens it is immersed in water, 1 by Fw equal to Ngw minus 1 bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. What will be happen? Refractive index of glass with respect to water. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೋಲಾಗತ್ತೇನೋ refractive index of glass with respect to water. So that is Ng by Nw minus 1. What the things up to you understood? So next we are going to continue with this. So here you don't know the Fw value, as it is we can place 1 by Fw equal to, so Ng value is refractive index of glass, that is 1.5 divided by 1.33 minus 1 bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Followed? Any doubt regarding about it? You are having any doubt, you can ask me. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2. This is equation 1. That will be what? Equation 2. So now we are going to divide the equation 1 by 2. So dividing equation 1 by 2. Divide mana. So here dividing means 1 by 0.24 whole divided by 1 by FW equal to. This is 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. Yes, 0.5. Okay, so 0.5. Followed. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 divided by. So here we are taking the what? LCM. LCM ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 1.5 minus 1.33 divided by 1.33. Okay, 1.33. Close the bracket. This is 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This and this get cancelled. Cancel ಆಗ್ತದ? So ಇದು reciprocal of the reciprocal ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ. FW divided by 0.24. Followed? So this is a 0.5 into 1.33 divided by 1.5 minus 1.33 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ? 0.17. 0.17. This is 1. 0.17. So now divide. Calculate how much you are getting. See that? 3.911 or FW equal to 3.911 into 0.24. FW equal to 0.9388. 0.9388 meter. Okay, 0.9388 meter. ये FW रेसिप्रोकल से ऊपर जाता हो तो ये क्या है? FW डिवाइड बाय 0.24 वी आर गेटिंग इट इक्वल टू. सो दिस नाउ लिसन. FW क्या है? 0.24 इक्वल टू 0.5 इंटू 1.33 divided by 0.17 is equal to. So how we are getting this? This will be go up. 0.5, 1.3 it will go up. 1.5 minus 1.3 means 0.17. If you divide the product 3.911. Now cross multiply here. FW equal to 3.911 into 0.24 equal to 0.938 we are getting. Follow the terms, sir. Now small we have to understand that change in the change in the focal length. Okay, what we have to find out? The change in the focal length of the lens. Change in the focal length of the lens. So that is delta F equal to FA minus FW. FA means focal length in the air. What is that? 0.24 minus that is a 0.9388. Subtract it. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಫ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಏನಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಫ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಎ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಏನದ ಎಫ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಎ 0.9388 ಮೈನಸ್ 0.24 0.698 meter. Change in the focal length. Change in the focal length we got it. So now listen carefully. So here the question what is it? The radii of curvature of two surfaces of convex lens ಎಷ್ಟದ 0.2 meter ಅದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 0.22 meter ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so here it is given that solution given r1 equal to 0.2 meter and r2 equal to 0.22 meter. Find the focal length of the lens. Andre no f it is in the air we have to find out. Okay, so also find the focal length and its refractive index estada illi refractive index of that glass is 1.3. Also find the focal length when it is immersed in the water. So for refractive index of water is 1.33. Okay, so we have to find out the fw question mark and also delta f also you have to find out. Okay, fw question mark and delta f also you have to calculate it. Okay, so now both fa and fw we have to find out. Okay, fa ಮತ್ತು fw ಎರಡು find out ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. So when the lens is in air, okay, is in air. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೆ ನಾವು using lens maker formula, using a lens maker's formula. Okay, so lens maker's formula we are using it. So that is a 1 by fa equal to, so this one is a ng minus 1 bracket 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So now 1 by fa equal to ng value 1.5 minus 1, this is bracket. So this is 1 divided by 0.2 minus 1 by 0.22 here. Now see, this is 0.5. Okay, so LCM ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು 1 by 0.2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 1 by 0.2 5 minus 1 divided by 0.22 4.5. Okay, so now 0.5 subtract it. 0.455 multiply it. 0.2275 or fa equal to 1 divided by 0.2275 4.395 meter. Okay, focal length in water. Again we can use this formula. So therefore 1 by from 1 from equation 1. Okay, from equation 1 we are using. So that is 1 by FA. FA value is 4.395 equal to, this is water 0.5. Bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this is equation 2 we can write. Okay. So now when the lens is immersed in water, when the lens is immersed in water, when the lens is immersed in the water. So 1 by FW equal to, so again what we are getting now? So the refractive index of the glass to water, that is a refractive index glass with respect to water. So NGW minus 1 bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So 1 by FW only we have to find out. So this is a NG by NW minus 1 bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. 1 by R. So now see, NG value is 1.5 divided by 1.33 minus 1 bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this is 1 by FW. Okay. So substitute the values. This is what we are going to go to equation 2. Sorry, 3. This is equation 3. Now dividing equation 2 by 3. 2 divided by 3. So this is 2. So 2, what is that? 1 by 4.395 divided by 1 by FW equal to, this is 0.5, as it is we are substituting 0.5 bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 close, whole divided by, so this is 1.5 minus 1.3. So this is a 1.5 minus 1.33 divided by 1.33. So this is 1 divided by R1 minus 1 by R. This and this get cancelled. Okay, so both things get cancelled. So that is a FW by 4.395 equal to 0.5 into 1.33. This is a subtract 0.17. Just from the other answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 3.911. So FW equal to 3.911 into 4.395. 17.192 meter. Okay, so therefore the change in the focal length, of the lens is delta F equal to FW minus FA. FW 17.192 minus FA. FA is equal to 4.39. Let's go here again. 12.797.